Dear students, today we can take another example of oversubscription and a call scenario. See one question. MCS Limited issued 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable at rupees 3 on application, 4 on allotment and rupees 3 on first and final call. So see in this question, how many shares company issued? 40,000 shares. What is the face value one share? 10 rupees. How they collecting this 10 rupees in installment? Application time 3 rupees, allotment time 4 rupees and first and final call time 3 rupees. So this remember, application rupees 3, allotment money 4, first and final call 3. This I will repeat in full of this answer, so that you should keep in mind 3 application money, 4 rupees allotment money, first and final call money 3. Now what happened? Application were received for 80,000 shares. So company issued 40,000 share, but company received application for 80,000 shares. And allotment was made as follows. So how the allotment? We understood application received is 80,000 is more than the issued shares. This is the case of oversubscription. So whenever oversubscription is there, 3 alternatives are there in front of company. Company here followed the third alternative. That is the combination of alternative 1 and 2. So what the company done, we can see. First, application for 10,000 shares allotted full. It means 10,000 applicants, company allotted 10,000 shares. Second category, application for 50,000 shares allotted 30,000 shares. So this is pro rata allotment. For 50,000 applications, company allotted only 30,000. That means proportion is 30,000 divided by 50,000. That is 3 by 5. Keep in mind always when you take in proportion, allotted share divided by applied share is the proportion. Here allotted share 30,000, applied share 50,000. So proportion is 30,000 divided by 50,000. That is 3 by 5. So proportion is in this question for pro rata is 3 by 5. Then third, what happened? Application for 20,000 shares rejected. So rejected means they may be given letter of regret and they refunded the money back. Company will refund the money back. So 10,000 allotted full, 50,000 shares they allotted, only 30,000. So 30,000 here allotted, 10,000 here allotted, total 10,000 plus 30,000, 40,000 allotment over. Balance remaining 20,000 shares they rejected and their money will give back. Now, excess money received on application adjusted towards allotment money. Here pro rata is there, right? So any excess money received on application, they will adjust towards the second installment, that is allotment. Then one more information given. Neeraj, to whom, Neeraj is a shareholder, to whom 600 shares were allotted from category 1. Category 1 means it belongs to pro rata. Category 1, no, it is category 2. Okay. So the 600 shares who belongs to category 2 is failed to pay. So he belongs to category 2, not category 1. So category 2 is what here? Pro rata allotment. Okay. Failed to pay the allotment money and calls money. So one shareholder, that is Neeraj, he having 600 shares. So 600 shares we allotted to him. He belongs to category 2. That means in pro rata category, he failed to pay which money? Allotment money and calls money. So pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Okay. Now see. Here whenever the combination of these 3 comes, it is better to make a working note. We already discussed in the previous questions. Statement showing disposal of application money, right? So when you preparing this working note, first column category, number of shares application received, number of shares allotted, application money received, share capital, share allotment, calls in advance and bank. Here first category, in the question we know first category, application for 10,000 shares allotted full. That means 10,000 shares we allotted 10,000 shares. So category number 1, number of shares application received is 10,000. How much we allotted, number of shares allotted 10,000. How much application money received for 10,000 shares? We know application money in this question is 3 rupees. So 10,000 into 3, how much application money we received total? 30,000. So full allotment, so full money received will go to share capital. No excess money is remaining. Then second category C, application for 50,000 shares allotted only 30,000. This is pro rata allotment. So second category 50,000 application received, allotment done only 30,000. So 50,000 shares application money received is 50,000 into 3, that is 1,50,000, because application money is 3 rupees. So whenever they apply for 50,000 shares, company will receive 1,50,000 rupees. So 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000. But how much only we actually allotted? 30,000 shares. So 30,000 shares application money is 30,000 into 3 rupees, that is 90,000. So out of 1,50,000 received, real application money only 90,000. Excess 1,50,000 minus 90,000 excess 60,000 is there. 60,000 we already question mentioned that excess money we can adjust to allotment money. So 60,000 we see 30,000 shares allotment money in the question is 4 rupees. 30,000 into 4, 1,20,000 coming, but excess how much only? 60,000. So full 60,000 we can adjust to where? Share allotment. After that, no excess money is remaining to refund or adjust to calls. Now the third category. What is the third category? Application for 20,000 shares rejected. See that. So 20,000 application received, we not allotted. Rejected means no allotment done. So 20,000 shares application money received is 20,000 into 3 rupees, that is 60,000. So fully rejected, so full money we have to refund to them because we not allotted any share to them. Then after writing this 3 category, we have to total here. Total application received 80,000. Total allotment done is 40,000. Total application money received is 2,40,000. Share capital money is 1,20,000. Share allotment excess money adjusted 60,000. Refund, rejected application refund money is 60,000. Why we making this statement? Because for writing the first 2 journal entries. Okay, so without any mistake. Now we can start the journal entries. So first journal entry in the journal format. Journal format we have to know. We know Books of MCA Limited journal. Journal format row. Then now see. First journal entry we know. What is the first journal entry? Bank account debtor to share application. Company how much application received here in the question, you know. Company received application for 80,000 shares. Application money we know 3 rupees. So total application money received bank account debtor to share application 2,40,000. That we already will get from this worksheet, this working out 2,40,000, right? Now second journal entry is share application money. Share application money received is 2,40,000. This how much we will transfer to share capital? 1,20,000. Share allotment 60,000. Refund 60,000. So second journal entry will become share application account debtor total 2,40,000 received. To share capital. Company having only 40,000 shares. 40,000 into application money 3 rupees. 40,000 into 3, 1,20,000. Excess money we adjusted to allotment 60,000. Refund money is 60,000 that you got from the working note. Okay, 2,40,000 application, 1,20,000 will go to share capital, 60,000 will adjust to allotment, and refund will be 60,000. Okay, so that we have to post here. The narration, share application money transferred to share capital and excess application money adjusted to allotment and refunded. Okay. Now next we have to write allotment money due entry. We know allotment money due entry is share allotment account debtor to share capital. Company having 40,000 shares. Allotment money is 4 rupees. It is given in the question. Allotment money is 4 rupees. So company issued 40,000 shares into 4. Total allotment money due is 1,60,000. 40,000 into 4, 1,60,000. Because company issued how many shares? 40,000 shares, allotment money is 4 rupees. So 40,000 into 4 is 1,60,000. Now next entry is bank account debtor to share allotment. How much allotment money we received? Here is the problem coming because one of the shareholder not paid the allotment money. So that how to calculate, you have to see the calculation well. What is the question seeing? Once again we can go through the question. Neeraj, to whom 600 shares were allotted from the category 2, that means application for 50,000 shares allotted in the pro rata category, he failed to pay the allotment money and calls money. So here he were allotted 600 shares. If he belongs to this pro rata category, he applied shares is more, right? Then only he will get 600 shares. So we have to find out how many shares he applied, so that we can find out. So first we have to write the calculation of amount received on allotment. Allotment time, how much money received, that calculation we have to do. So share allotted, always this equation you have to see. Share allotted is equal to shares applied into proportion. This equation keep in mind always. Share allotted is equal to shares applied into proportion. So here Neeraj we allotted 600 shares, that is shares allotted is equal to 600 is equal to shares applied. We don't know how many shares Neeraj applied for, that we have to find out, into proportion we know. Here the proportion is 50,000 shares we allotted 30,000 pro rata category. So proportion is 30,000 divided by 50,000, that is 3 by 5. So proportion is those who applied for 50,000 shares, they will get only 30,000 shares. That means if anyone applied for 5 shares, they will get a 3 share. So proportion 3 by 5. So here we can find out share applied. Share applied is equal to 600 into, this will come opposite side, we have to multiply with the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So 600 into 5 by 3 is equal to 1000. That means Neeraj applied for 1000 shares. That is why he got how many shares as per pro rata basis? 600 shares. Now see, if he applied for 1000 shares, application money received for 1000 shares. From him, company how much rupees received at the time of application? He applied for 1000 shares. So 3 rupees is the application money. 1000 into 3, how much rupees company received from Neeraj? 3000 rupees. But less real application money for 600 shares, because 600 shares only company allotted to him. That means his real application money is how much? Only 600 into 3, that is 1800. But application time he paid 1000 shares money, 3000, but he allotted 600 only. So 600 shares application money only 1800. So that means 3000 minus 1800, 1200 excess money he paid. So whatever excess money paid on pro rata adjusted towards what? In this question, excess money adjusted towards allotment. That means Neeraj 1200 rupees we already adjusted in where his allotment money. Now we can think about what is the allotment money due for 600 shares. Neeraj having how many shares? 600 shares. That means his allotment money, how much rupees will come? Allotment money we know in the question 4 rupees is the allotment money. So 600 shares allotment money, second installment is 600 into 4, how much will come? 2400 is due from Neeraj. But Neeraj already paid second installment, how much? 1200, that is excess money. That we will deduct. Less excess money already adjusted in allotment. That is 2400 was total allotment money due for 600 shares minus 1200 already adjusted. Balance 1200 only Neeraj not paid. That means Colson adhered for allotment money for 600 shares. Neeraj not paid how much money? Only allotment money 1200. Now we can see total company. Company is concerned total allotment money due for company having 40,000 shares. Allotment money is 4 rupees. So total allotment money due for 40,000 shares is 40,000 into 4, how much? 1,60,000. In this already how much we adjusted in allotment? Here you can see share allotment adjusted in from the application money, excess money we adjusted to allotment 60,000. That means 60,000 we already received. So out of this 1,60,000, 60,000 we already received, that we already adjusted towards allotment money. So balance company pending to receive how much? Only 1 lakh, right? Now Neeraj, how much only not paid allotment money? 1200. So 1200 only Neeraj not paid allotment money. That is an coal scenario. So allotment money not received for 600 shares is 1200. That means out of 1 lakh minus 1200 not received, balance 98,800 only company received for allotment of shares. So allotment money received for 40,000 shares is how much only? 98,800. So this is the allotment money received amount. So that we have to write in the journal. Bank account debtor to share allotment 98,800. That means share allotment money received is how much only? 98,800. Now next entry is share first and final call account debtor to share capital. In the question, company having 40,000 shares. Final call money is 3 rupees. So 40,000 into 3. Final call money due is how much? 1,20,000. So narration, share first and final call money due. So after due entry, which entry will come? Received entry. So received entry, see, bank account debtor to share first and final call. So out of this 1,20,000, who not paid final call money? Neeraj. What is the Neeraj? How many shares? Neeraj having 600 shares, right? So first and final call money, how much rupees? 3 rupees. So Neeraj not paid 600 shares final call money also. So 600 into 3, how much will come? 1,800. So out of 1,20,000, how much first call money we not received? 1,800. So balance 1,20,000 minus 1,800, we will get 1,18,200, because 600 shares first call money we not received. 600 into 3, 1,800 rupees we not received. So 1,20,000 minus 1,800, it will come 1,18,200 money only. First, if you want coal scenario account, you can open here. If you open coal scenario account, generally will be bank account debtor, coal scenario account debtor to share first and final call. In the question not mentioning, it is better no need to open coal scenario account. So if we mention in the question, open coal scenario account, otherwise coal scenario account not open. And here also allotment time also. Okay. So if the coal scenario is opening, then you can open. But it is better if the question not mentioning about coal scenario, you no need to open coal scenario. So this is a one basic question only. So like this questions, basic you have to practice allotment pro rata time, allotment money was received. Then only remaining questions you can do well. Thank you so much.